Check out this 2006 Toyota Camry. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With an efficient 4-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 5-speed automatic transmission, the anti-lock braking system will help keep you safe on the road. An included Carfax Vehicle History Report allows you to purchase with confidence and the knowledge that your buy was a smart choice. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, and adjustable tilt steering wheel. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, daytime running lights. Click or call to set up a test drive right away.